guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a classic carrot pie. So let me get started. A teaspoon of sugar. Actually, that's a half teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. This is all gluten-free recipe. So if you're gluten-free, I have a lot of recipes on my cooking channel. So continue to watch. Okay. You can also melt your butter if you like. I didn't melt mine. Mine was room temperature. So that's why I'm mixing it in right now. But it's easier if it's already melted. Okay, the dough is ready. Let me get my pie pan. Let me wash my hands first. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and form the pie crust. I'm just gonna do it with my hands. I could roll it out, but it's fine doing it this way. You still can see a little of the butter that's still there. Okay, here's the pie crust. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now these are the ingredients for the classic carrot pie. I have 2 cups of carrots, but I'm only gonna use 1.5 cups of carrots in this recipe. I have 1 cup of sugar, that's erythritol that I'm using. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I have 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, these are cooked carrots, okay? So all I'm gonna do is add them to the blender and blend them up, okay? It's just so you know. I boiled the carrots in some water last night, so they're already ready to go. Okay, I thought the camera was on, but it wasn't. So I have added everything to the food processor already. I added in, let me just share what I added in the food processor. I added 1.5 cups of cooked carrots, 1.5 cups of sugar-free sugar, which is erythritol, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 6 ounces of evaporated milk, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And everything is mixed up in here, and I'm about to pour it in my pie pan. And I preheated the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. So let me go ahead and do what I need to do now. The mixture in here. Okay. And it's pretty full, so I don't know exactly, I don't want to overfill it in my oven. I have to clean it up again. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some aluminum foil to the bottom of my stove just in case it decides to spill over. I'm doing a lot of baking today. I I have a family member coming in town, so I'm trying to get most of my baking out of the way so I can enjoy her company while she's here. So let me go ahead and place this in the oven. It's nice and full. I purchased this bread at Costco. It's about $6.99 for 2 loaves of bread. We decided to try this solo bread. They say 2 net carbs. So I'm gonna have 1 slice of bread, grilled cheese sandwich. To try the bread out. I got it in the skillet there. But it looks good. And I'm trying to develop my own recipe based on some of the ingredients they have in this bread here. So I'll let you know how it tastes. The bread was good. It's very delicious. The only problem I have with the bread is a little too sweet for me, but Bill, he just loved it. Yeah, it's a little too sweet for me, but at least I tried it. I placed a little tint over the pie because I didn't want the crust to turn real dark, so gotta cook it about 30 more minutes and it'll be done. I just took it out of the oven. Had a little accident with the tent, the aluminum foil. It kind of pulled off some of the pie. And so when I took it off, I put it back in the, when I pulled off the tent foil, I placed it back in the oven and it ended up burning some of my crust. So, hey, but it tastes delicious. I did taste it. If you like this recipe, like, subscribe, share this recipe with your friends and family, and have a Merry Christmas.